Are you struggling with Instagram stories not uploading on your PC? Don't worry, we've got you covered. Here are some simple steps to help you troubleshoot and fix this issue. First, try restarting your device. A quick restart can often resolve temporary glitches or conflicts that may be preventing your Instagram stories from uploading successfully. Next, check your internet connection. Make sure you have a stable and strong internet connection. Consider switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data to see if the problem persists. It's essential to check for device updates. Ensure that your PC's operating system is up to date, as outdated software can sometimes lead to compatibility issues with apps like Instagram. If you're using a VPN or proxy service, try disabling it temporarily. VPNs and proxies can sometimes interfere with the app's functionality, causing issues with uploading stories on Instagram. If none of the above solutions work, don't hesitate to contact Instagram support. Reach out to Instagram's official support channels for further assistance and guidance in resolving the problem. By following these steps, you can hopefully address the issue of Instagram stories not uploading on your PC and get back to sharing your moments seamlessly. Thank you for tuning in. We hope these tips help you resolve the uploading issue with Instagram stories on your PC. Stay tuned for more helpful tech-related content and troubleshooting guides.